Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.
We haven't forgotten those wonderful places and times sharing great stuff with great friends. We've got some of those old neighborhood recipes, and we're here to share them with you. This is ONC, the Old Neighborhood Video Recipe Show.
Okay.
I identify the voice just because she is so nice, Angelina. Angelina, the waitress at the pizzeria. I super minestrone just to be with her alone, Angelina. Angelina, the waitress at the pizzeria. Ti voglio bene, Angelina, you adore you.
Alright guys, let's shut her down and get ready for the next episode. Turn TV.
You're watching KPBP, your streaming video channel in the Midwest. If you can't find that one perfect ingredient to make your culinary preparation absolutely stunning, you have to go to Idue Cuisine. Dave and Tom specialize in tracking, acquiring, and delivering those hard-to-find but unquestionably necessary Epicurean elements. They'll go wherever they need to find those perfect delicacies. I due cugine will bring exactly what you need right to your door. Jumbo eggs from a left-handed leghorn. Hand-picked morels from that secret patch of woods in Michigan. Huckleberries from Oregon. The freshest flying fowl. Extra virgin olive oil from that little farm in Sicily. Wild salmon from Seattle. 45-year-old balsamic vinegar from Dave's family in Medina. That just right chocolate from Brussels, Belgium. Those perfect eclairs from Boulanger Patisserie on Rue Cadet in Paris.